Meet the latest additions to the C-RHEX lineup. Power-packed service kits made to dominate fastening jobs on any job site. First up, the C-RHEX 7-in-1 impact-rated flip bit socket set with bit storage handle. This kit pairs Malco's trusted 7-in-1 flip bit socket set with a premium grip handle that doubles as storage for 12 impact-rated insert bits. The included insert bit socket makes switching between Phillips, Flathead, Torx, and Robertson fast and easy. A powerful magnet holds bits securely in place, while the ergonomic handle delivers all-day comfort and control. Next, the C-RHEX socket kit with impact-rated bit set, featuring 3 cleanable, reversible C-RHEX sockets in 6 sizes, plus interchangeable 2-inch and 4-inch shafts for added reach and versatility. And just like the other kit, it includes an insert bit socket and 12 impact-rated insert bits for ultimate versatility. Both kits come in rugged, impact-resistant cases with non-slip rubber feet, a strong stainless steel hinge, and snap latches, keeping your gear secure and job site ready. Precision, power, performance. These are the kits real trade pros reach for.